Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify store URL. Whether you need to share your store link with customers or simply want to know where your pages are hosted, this quick guide will show you exactly where to locate it. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct store if you manage multiple Shopify accounts, as each one will have its own unique URL. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage, which is essentially your store's control center. From here, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll find various options for managing different aspects of your store. Look for and click on Online Store. This section houses all the tools you need to customize and view your storefront, including themes, blog posts, and pages. Once you're in the online store section, you'll see several options listed beneath it. Click on Pages. This is where all your custom pages live, such as your About page, Contact page, or any other static content you've created for your store. It's a central hub for managing the individual pages that make up your site's structure. Now, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created displayed on your screen. To find the URL for a specific page, simply hover your cursor over the page name you're interested in. As you do this, you'll notice a small eye icon appears next to the page title. This icon represents the preview function. Go ahead and click on it to view that page as it appears live on your store. Clicking the eye icon will open a new tab in your browser, displaying the actual page as your customers would see it. Now, look up at the address bar at the top of your browser. The text you see there is your Shopify URL for that specific page. It will typically follow a format like your store.myshopify.com/pages/page name. This is the direct link to that particular page on your store, and you can copy it from the address bar to share or use wherever needed. And there you have it, you've successfully located your Shopify store URL by navigating through your store's backend and previewing your pages. This method works for any page in your store, making it easy to grab the exact URL you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.